Hey, hi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi.
Welcome to 17 Residences.
Hi, nice to meet you.
This is a nice unit. Come over.
Okay, thank you. I come in. Okay.
Alright.
So this is the unit, 1024 square feet. When you come in, straight away you see you have the living room in front of us. Yeah. So this is actually a sofa bed with a very nice, colorful coffee table. If you have your own TV and TV cabinet, you can put it here. And then in front of you, you have a very thick sun-blocking curtain with a double glazed front balcony. So let's go and have a look at the front. All right. So when you come out, in front of us is actually Taman Ton and also Mount Kiara. So that thing there is the Spring Highway. Yeah. So you will notice that actually it's very quiet, even though we are just next to the highway. It's because of the door they are using. It's a double glazed door. So yeah, if you want a bit of sound, to look at the place, then you can come out. Yeah, all right. So there's MRT station there, Glomac, and also the other one is section 16. All right. Okay. So now let's look inside the house. Okay. So when you turn behind, you will see that this place here is actually the dining area. Yeah. So the landlord has already put a table, nice designer table with 4 chairs. All right. And then you can also go behind here. This is the kitchen area. Yeah, so some people they prefer this layout because you will notice that there's a wall down here that encloses the kitchen. Yeah, so what you do in the kitchen is more private. All right. So immediately after that, you have a very big fridge. All right. So ample space to walk, and then you have the kitchen cabinet. Yeah. Okay. With a lot of storage space on top. Yeah. So this unit comes with a microwave oven, kettle, and also a 3-piece induction cooker, food and a hob. So yeah. Okay, very good. All right. You can off it. 2 sinks, and then at the back of this, yeah, you have a washing machine. All right. Okay. So we are actually on the low floor. Okay. Moving on. So now we are going to look at the rooms. Yeah. So this is actually the master bedroom. Yeah. So when you come in here, you have the space, which is big enough to put a queen size bed or even a king size bed if you wish. Alright, and you can have this space here to put a TV also if you want. Yeah. So you have a 3-panel windows with a curtain, and then next you have a full height built-in cabinet. Yeah. So you can keep all your storage bag, your clothes, your pajamas all inside here. Yeah, if you want, you can put a study table down here also. This is the place. Alright. So yeah. You have an aircon on top, and let's go and look at the toilet. Yeah. This is the washroom. It's an ensuite bathroom for the master bedroom. You will notice that it comes with a rain shower and also a toilet bowl, a sink, and also a shower screen. And on top of that, the landlord has actually installed a shower door. Yeah, this is an additional part. Alright. Okay, so let's go look at the other rooms. Yeah. So this is the second room. It has space for 1 single bed and also a wardrobe. Yeah. And you have curtains, fan, lights, and aircon. Okay, good. So finally, we are moving on to the last room. Yeah. Alright, okay, so this is the third room. You will notice that the space is actually quite big, bigger than the second room, and you can comfortably fit a queen size bed down here. Yeah, alright. So some people they prefer to put the bed this way, some they prefer to put this way, and you can choose to put your wardrobe here or even here. Yeah, and then you have the space to put a study table down here. So as usual, 2 lights in the house, in the room, fan, and also an aircon.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching. If you like this unit, well, you can contact us. It's for rental. Alright, I'm Lisa here. Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, so thank you so much, Lisa. And okay, I will excuse myself first.
Alright,
Okay, yeah, come. You can bring us out. Okay, see you. Okay, bye bye.